crowd of people at the gates. They want to see the king.
You should listen to them, Father. Everybody knows you are an honest and wise king.
Well, Your Highness, a huge and cruel dragon has settled in the cave of Wawel Hill.
He is a terrible monster. It breathes fire and burns our houses.
The dragon has eaten almost all our cows. It's eaten even our sheep. You have to do something before it's too late. The monster started to eat people. The citizens of Wawel, the one who kills the dragon, will marry my daughter, the beautiful princess, and be awarded by a half of the kingdom. Have you ever heard such great news, citizens? The valiant who kills the dragon will become rich and happy. He'll marry the princess and own half of the kingdom.
Hey, dragon! Get out of your cave!
Get out and meet your end! Who? Dead! To wake me up!
We did it! We are the bravest knights of the kingdom, and we are going to kill you!
That sounds great! I feel really hungry! The dragon has eaten all the animals.
Oh yes, it's always hungry and it can eat everything and even everybody.
And nobody can kill it, as it spits fire. The knights cannot even pull out their swords.
I've got a plan how to kill the dragon.
But you're just a shoemaker. How can you do it?
I'm going to prepare a special meal for the dragon. I'll take the skin of a sheep, fill it with sulfur and leave it near the dragon's cave. When the dragon gets out of the cave, it will be hungry and it won't be able to guess which sheep is not a real one.
Just a brilliant idea. I pray for you, my boy. Good luck. Look! The dragon has been drinking 4 hours!
It'll drink the whole water from the west to the river.
It's getting bigger and bigger and it's still drinking.
And it's really furious at us.
We are staring at it and it can't even move.
It's trying to spit fire, but only steam is coming out of his mouth.